Hi everybody, Carter Heiser, owner here at Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me walk you around this beautiful truck. 2017 Ram 2500 Crew Cab 4x4 6.7 Bighorn with the luxury group. Check it out, almost new Coopers with almost new method wheels. It's leveled. We got the gray cloth interior with bench seat, big touch screen, heated steering wheel, heated seats, Bluetooth, navigation capable, tow package, pretty much loaded up, power seat. Beautiful truck, stock under the hood, 85,000 miles, CM skirted bed. This isn't no $2,500 bed. This is an expensive one with the skirts, the toolboxes, the tie downs, the fold down sides. Full LED light package, BW in it. Just a beautiful truck inside and out. If it belonged to a rancher or an oil patch guy, you would never know. It is super clean. Body's real nice. Doesn't have a lot of gravel chips on it. It's stock under the hood. Find a truck that's got a leveled flatbed, aftermarket wheels, oversized tires, and it's stock under the hood. That's nearly impossible. 85,000 miles, 2017, Bighorn. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees.